Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahmi. I am the 12th grade of MIPA from the SMAITlc2021. I will share how to make instant noodles. The tool and ingredient that must be provided: pan, filtering bowl, spoon, instant noodle, and water. The steps are as follows. First, put water in the pan. Then turn on the stove. Then open the instant noodle package and boil the noodle. Second, wait about 3 minutes for it to cook. After it's cooked, drain the noodle using filter. 3. Mix the instant noodle seasoning into a bowl. Then pour hot water into the bowl. Pour the noodle into the bowl. After that, you can enjoy instant noodle. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.